Okay, Year 9s, thank you to those of you who were in the Zoom lesson, and thank you for coming. Now, to help you, I will add the Zoom sessions to your calendar. Next week, there will be no Zoom at all. Okay, so what you're going to do this week, for those of you who have not been in or aren't really sure, this week is about feedback and setting goals. We've only started the unit, so you're going to be setting your goal. Your goals will be around what you're going to create in this unit. So a collage of a portrait using materials that link to you. So it's a self-portrait. You're also going to be building your own skills of portrait painting using paints you can make at home. Copy and paste these two slides, slides 23 and 24, from my slideshow, Teacher Slides, into your workbook, your art workbook, and build on your goals. Okay, specifically to this unit. This is very important in terms of achievable. What tools do you have? What space do you have? How much time do you have? The timeliness of the goal is being able to follow assessment deadlines. You might want to write how you do that. Okay, so that's the first thing, and that is due in on Thursday. Okay, the first thing, and that is due in on Thursday. Have we got that?